Hi boys, so welcome back. So today we will look at the addition involves unknown. Okay, so let's look at the first example. Okay, so here we get a question where it is 0.58 plus, there is an empty, that means there is a dash, equals to 0.90. So here, which one is the unknown here? This. So here you need to find this unknown in order to complete this addition question. So the easiest step is for you to do in a vertical form. That means dalam bentuk lazim. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to write the value in a vertical form. So make sure the point you need to have in a same line. Okay, so copy back the question. So now we will try to solve from the place value ones. Kita mula daripada tempat sum. Alright, so here you have to look at the number, that means the total, the answer here. Okay. Since it is 0 and there is a 1 here, that means you need to find 8 plus with what number you get the answer as 10. So 8 plus 9, 10. So that means you open 2 fingers. So the answer is here 2. Okay. Alright. So next we will move on to the place value tens. Okay. Here, let's look at here. You got 1 and you got a 5. So that means the total is already 6. But here the answer is 9. So what you have to do, you open your fingers 6. So to make it 9, how many new fingers that you open? So 7, 8, 9. So that means you open 3 new fingers. So that means the answer is 3. Let's check the answer. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So the answer is correct. Okay, now what you need to do is the next one. You need to, don't forget to put your point. Okay, here there is no any carry number here. So that means in order to get 0, we have to add 0 plus 0. So what is the answer? 0.32. Okay, so you need to write here 0.32. So that will be your answer. Okay, so let's look at the example 2. Okay. Example 2 is 0.39 plus, there is an unknown here, and 1.71. Okay. Here, the same thing you need to do in a vertical form. Tulis dalam bentuk lazim. Okay, baik. So here, we got a 9 here. And here got 1. And don't forget to see the carry number here. There is a 1. That means you have to find a number that is add with the 9. You get the answer as 11. So you open your fingers. After 9 is 10, 11. So how many new fingers did you open? 9, 10. 9 you keep inside your heart. Open the fingers. 10, 11. So that means 2 new fingers you open. So the answer will be 2. Here, the answer here, the carry number that is 1, plus 3 is 4. So in order to get 7, you keep your answer 4 in your heart, and you need to open the fingers after 4 is 5, 6, 7. So how many new fingers did you open? 3 fingers. So you write that 3. Next step, you need to put the dot. Yes, don't forget to put the point. Okay, in decimal we call this as a point. Dalam bahasa Malaysia kita panggil dia titik perpuluhan. Okay, so let's look at here. So here, so let's check the answer first. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, good. So here, in order to get the answer 1, 0 plus, what number you get back? 1. So 0 plus 1. So the answer that you need to write at this unknown 1.7, sorry, 1.32. Okay. I will try to underline. So that is the question 2. So let's look at the next. Okay, next we will move to the practice. So now you need to answer. Teacher Pai got placed here 3 questions for you to answer in the Maths 1. So please complete these 3 questions in your Maths 1. And do not forget to upload your work in the GC in our Google Classroom platform. Okay? And one more thing, remember, please make sure you write in a Maths form, and then below the question you need to do in a vertical form. So good luck and see you again.